Snapchat's My Eyes Only 101. What's it? How to use the Snapchat feature. Snapchat's My Eyes Only is a feature that allows users to protect certain photos and videos with an additional layer of security. When you save a snap to My Eyes Only, it means that the content will be hidden behind a passcode or biometric authentication, ensuring that only you can access and view those specific snaps. Here's how you can use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. 1. Save a snap asterisk. After taking a photo or recording a video on Snapchat, you can save it to your memories. To do this, tap on the save icon, a downward arrow, that appears either at the bottom of the screen, for photos, or beside the timer, for videos. 2. Move to My Eyes Only asterisk, open your Snapchat profile and tap on the memories icon. Find the snap you want to protect and press and hold on it. Tap on the My Eyes Only icon, which looks like a lock. 3. Set up passcode or biometric authentication asterisk. If it's your first time using My Eyes Only, Snapchat will prompt you to set up a passcode or use biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, to access the protected snaps. 4. Accessing My Eyes Only asterisk. Once a snap is saved to My Eyes Only, it won't be visible in your regular memories. To access these protected snaps, go to your profile, tap on the My Eyes Only section, and enter your passcode or use biometric authentication. This feature is designed to provide users with an extra layer of privacy for sensitive or personal content. It's important to note that forgetting the passcode or losing access to the biometric authentication method may result in the loss of the content saved in My Eyes Only. Additionally, Snapchat emphasizes the importance of keeping the passcode secure to maintain the privacy of the protected snaps.